Hi, this is Raman. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today, we'll take a look at a head and shoulders trade setup. A head and shoulders trade setup is a reversal pattern. This is a bearish reversal pattern, so we're looking for price to drop from here. A head and shoulders trade setup is usually found at an important support and resistance level. So in this case, price attempts to move higher, falls back down, sellers step in. It makes another push higher, which gives us our head in the middle. But again, it gets pushed down. And then finally, we see a third attempt to move the price higher, and we see another failure at this level. So that creates our head and shoulders formation. And once we see this trade setup, we're looking for price to drop. So it's a bearish reversal pattern, and we take a trade short. So let's go on to the charts. We'll take a look at what this trade setup looks like, where to enter the trade, where to place the stop loss, and as always, how to exit the trade with a profit.
We're looking at head and shoulders trade setup here. This is Euro Pound 1 hour chart. In the head and shoulders trade pattern, we are looking at three different points. Essentially, it looks like a person. So we have a head in the middle, which is the highest point in the setup. And then we have a left shoulder and a right shoulder. So the left and the right shoulder are approximately at the same level. If one is lower, if the right hand is lower than the left, that one is okay as well, because that shows that the momentum is to the downside and market is price is moving lower, which is good as well. But overall, we just have three things that we look at: a head in the middle, which is the highest point where price goes and turns around, and prior to that, price does try to turn around before that. However, it fails and makes that one push higher, but then drops and tests the left shoulder again. So it will go and test the same level one more time, and then it will hold below that level before it drops and goes to the next support and resistance line, or we can do the one-to-one risk to reward ratio here. So once you see the left shoulder here like this, something like this form, and you see a head form, now we are looking for the right shoulder. So we have to wait on this setup. Once price comes and reacts at the same level, I would drop my support and resistance level, and then I wait for the price to react at that level. Once you see the price reacting and we see the price is holding below this level, this is a 1 hour chart, so we can see that the price has held below this level for several hours, and then we get a bearish engulfing candle right here. So that's a good sign. This is the time we would place our entry, and the stop would go above the head, making sure there is room for trade to breathe. And we enter the short and we wait for price to go to either the next support and resistance level, and then we can just exit the trade, or we can see if the price starts to go sideways, you can exit the trade then. Another way to mark your target level is you can also go one-to-one risk to reward. So basically, if you measure the point from your entry to your stop loss, you are looking for the same move in the next direction as well. So that's another way to set your target level. So just to recap, we are looking for three levels here. We have head in the middle and a left shoulder where price reacts before it pushes to the next level, and we have a right shoulder where price reacts again at the same level. Once we see price hold below the right shoulder here at the support and resistance level, we enter the trade short. Our stop goes above the head here, and we wait for price to come to either to the next support or resistance level, or we just take a one-to-one risk to reward ratio. So in this example here, we have between entry and exit here 55 pips in the trade, so our profit is 55 pips or $550 if trading one standard lot.
If you enjoyed this video and would like to join me in the trade room, I am currently running a special promotion. As part of the trade room, you get access to the weekly market overview that I do every Sunday. You also get to join my private Skype group where I share my trade ideas and commentary as the live market unfolds. I also provide live trade setups and live entries with stop loss and take profit targets. As well as you get access to the daily market analysis call that we do every evening, and we go through over 20 pairs, and we've looked for the best trade setups in those pairs, and you will get levels that you can take trades from yourself as well. Even if you're not taking my trades that I call, you can take your own trades based on the analysis that we do together. There's also a members only webinar every Friday. This is an educational webinar, and this is where I pick a topic every Friday that I think will be meaningful to the members of the trade room, and I go in depth into that topic. As a bonus, you will get the pivot point indicator with this. Then the cost of that is $97 if you were to just buy it on its own. Plus, you get my Learn to Trade Forex course. So this is the course that I sell on my website for $497, which you get as a free bonus for signing up for this. Now, the cost for this promotion is $997 a year. Generally, I was charging $97 a month. So just for the trade room, it would have cost you $1,200 for the year. But this way, you only pay $997 for the entire year. So you get 2 months free trade room access, as well as you get the Forex course, which is worth $497, as well as my pivot point indicator and the pivot point course that goes with it. This is a great deal because as of end of September, the prices will go up. I am changing a few things in my business and changing the focus a little bit. So I will not have any monthly promotions for the trade room because it just creates too much churn for me and takes my focus away from trading. So going forward, the regular price for the trade room plus the course will be $3,000. I'm revamping the course, adding more mindset type of stuff, more fundamentals, and a little bit more advanced trading strategies as part of the trading course. So basically revamping the entire course. So if you sign up now, you will get access to the new course as well as part of this. So great deal, a great time to join the trade room. Right now, we are coming into some great trading months. September through December tend to be good trading months. So this is a good time for us to get back into trading and good time to make some money. So if you would like to join me, you can go to this link here, bit.ly/yearly trade room. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this trade setup. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. That's it for today. I will see you next time.